How to use organic waste like vegetable peels. Every kitchen produces a wide array of trash, including old food, vegetable peels, fruit cores and coffee grounds. Although many people simply throw this trash away, savvy recyclers and green-minded gardeners realize that this trash has a second use. Organic waste breaks down into organic matter, and can provide a mineral and vitamin boost to any plant in the garden. Organic matter also provides long-term amendment to any depleted soil. Instead of throwing your organic waste away, use it in a garden or a compost pile. Things you'll need: 20 to 30 gallon bin, garden soil, hose, shovel. Turn organic waste such as vegetable peels, eggshells, coffee grounds and rotten fruit straight into the soil around your plants. The waste will break down naturally over time to enrich the soil and fertilize the plants. Use organic waste in a compost pile or bin. Put a 20 to 30 gallon plastic bin in a protected location, out of both sun and rain. Fill the bin 1/4 full of garden soil, then add organic kitchen scraps. Never use meat or bones, as these will draw pests. Add 5 gallons of water to moisten the compost, then stir with the shovel. Compost should always be slightly moist, but never wet or soupy. Stir the compost at least once a day to aerate it and encourage decomposition, and add kitchen scraps whenever you have them. Water the compost once a week to maintain moisture. Use compost when it achieves a dark, crumbly consistency. Turn the compost into existing planters or use it in new plantings, to boost soil nutrition. Use it as mulch in the winter to protect plants from cold temperatures.